Hi everyone, and welcome to this Christmas paper quilling snowflakes tutorial. Today we're creating stunning, intricate snowflakes using simple quilling techniques. These snowflakes are perfect for decorating your home, adding a handmade touch to holiday cards, or even hanging on your Christmas tree. Whether you're new to quilling or a seasoned crafter, I'll guide you step by step to make these elegant designs. So grab your quilling tools, some paper strips, and let's get started on bringing some Christmas magic to your crafts. Take a quilling strip and use your quilling tool to roll it into a tight coil. Secure the coil once rolled, remove the coil from the tool and let it loosen slightly to your desired size. Add a small dab of glue to secure the end of the strip. Using your fingers or tweezers, pinch opposite sides of the coil to create the eye shape, also called a marquise. Create a total of 8 pieces. Insert one end of the quilling strip into the slot. Begin rolling the strip tightly around the tool, keeping the edges aligned as you go. Apply consistent tension for a smooth and even coil. Once the strip is fully rolled, remove the coil from the tool while holding it tightly to maintain its shape. Add a small dab of glue to the loose end and press it down onto the coil to secure it. Create a total of 8 pieces. Take a quilling strip and use your quilling tool to roll it into a tight coil. Remove the coil from the tool and let it loosen slightly to your desired size. Add a small dab of glue to the end of the strip to secure it. Using your fingers or tweezers, pinch one side of the coil to create the point of the teardrop shape. Leave the other side rounded to complete the look. Create a total of 16 pieces. Place the 2 teardrop shapes side by side. This forms the shape of a heart. Glue the pieces together. Apply a small amount of glue along the curved edge of one teardrop and press it against the curved edge of the other. Hold them together for a few seconds to ensure they adhere securely. Glue the rest of the teardrops together into this. Create another tight coil but smaller than the first one. Take a quilling strip and trim it to a half length than the strip used for the first tight coil. Repeat this and create a total of 16 pieces. Select the desired ring size on the border buddy, or any similar tool. Take the quilling strip and begin wrapping it tightly around the chosen circle of the border buddy. Ensure the strip overlaps neatly without gaps or twists. Once you've wrapped the entire strip, apply a small dab of glue to the end of the strip to secure it in place. Hold it for a few seconds to allow the glue to set. Gently slide the completed ring coil off the border buddy. Be careful not to distort the shape while removing it. If needed, use your fingers to refine the edges of the ring for smoothness and symmetry. Create a total of 8 pieces. Place the eye shapes in a circular pattern with their pointed ends meeting at the center. Apply a small dab of glue to the side of one eye shape. Attach it to the side of the next eye shape. Repeat this process until all 8 eye shapes are connected in a circular arrangement. Add a small dab of glue to the pointed tip of the eye shape where the heart will be attached. Avoid using too much glue to prevent it from smearing. Continue attaching the rest of the pieces together. Thank you so much for joining me in this quilling snowflakes tutorial. I hope you enjoyed creating these beautiful designs and learned some new techniques along the way. Remember, quilling is all about creativity, so don't hesitate to experiment with different shapes and arrangements. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Feel free to share your quilling creations with us. I'd love to see what you make. Until next time, happy quilling. God bless you.